This is how you set up and use the assistant monitor in the Equinox Suite. When opening the suite on the Start page, you'll see the Talk and Monitor section. Expanding this section allows you to activate or deactivate the assistant monitor and set the levels for the Talk Forward and Talk Back monitor. These settings can be adjusted during the assessment, so you can always modify the levels as needed. You can also go into Setup and click on Operator Sound Settings. Here, you can set the levels for the start intensities, ensuring they are tailored to your needs when opening the suite. Adjust the sound levels by moving the sliders to set the levels for the assistant monitor, headphone, and microphone, ensuring the sound is suitable for the clinician and not too loud or too soft. Once the changes are made and saved, these settings will be the default values each time the suite is opened and ready for use. You can always use the adjustment settings on the front page for easy modifications during the measurement. You have now set up the assistant monitor in your Equinox Suite. Thank you for watching.